Beke, this one we dey enjoy like this. Maga don't pay.
Maga don't pay. Maga don't pay.
How you don't call me sis? I want for you. So you want chop alone?
Been busy. Maga don't pay. Hey, have you met my new woman? My new girlfriend, Holly.
Yeah.
Isn't she sweet?
Yeah,
Isn't she the jewel? Isn't she the crown jewel? Yeah. Maga don't pay.
Okay.
Maga don't pay.
Okay, now you say before I go now, I go get joy.
Over 10,000 US. Yeah.
Okay, look down. Wait, friends,
Yeah.
wait.
Have a drink. Have a drink.
Drink something.
Yeah.
Those.
Yeah. Maga don't pay.
Maga don't pay. Nothing to it. Enjoy. No, you're welcome, man.
In the bife. In the bife.
Nothing to it. She's enjoying. She's enjoying.
Yeah.
They came my man.
So what to do with you?
I did now. As you call me, tell me, say, make I come house. I feel say, maybe one us come, go carry me. I don't know, say, Maga don't pay. Congratulations again. Congratulations.
Business is good.
Yeah.
Business is good.
Yeah, correct,
Thanks for coming over.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming over.
Yeah, correct, man. I'm so happy.
Yeah. Isn't she sweet?
Yeah, she is.
Isn't she sweet?
She is very, very.
She's the crown jewel of Nigeria.
Yeah, enjoy yourself. Okay. No worry.
Where would that come from?
Yeah. Congratulations, man. Nothing do you enjoy yourself.
Not to be fair. It's not to be fair.
You don't get this call. I did with you. Place where this money they come from, you still come. Don't get this call. Enjoy. Don't say if something better reach you, go reach me.
Have another drink. Yes. And not to be fair. And not to be fair. To my good friend. Maga don't pay. Maga don't pay.
Maga don't pay. Collect again, collect. Guy, that's my man. Maga don't pay. Collect. Oh, that's why I'm my man. Hey, just to more Magas. Nothing to you.